Miki here. Today I am excited to share with you one of my favorite dishes that has incredible flavor. This is provoleta with tomato salad, an Argentine classic that is delicious.
Let's start with our main ingredient, provoleta cheese. It's not just any cheese. It's known for its ability to hold shape and melt beautifully without losing its rich flavor. Perfect for grilling. Before we place it on the grill, we'll brush it with a bit of olive oil for an extra hint of flavor. Make sure your grill pan is nice and hot to ensure that gorgeous golden crust forms quickly, locking in the delicious flavors. As the provoleta sizzles away, let's dive into the heart of this dish's origin. Originating from Italian immigrants in Argentina, provoleta has become a beloved Argentine tradition. Grilled provoleta is typically served as a warm appetizer, often sparking joy at gatherings and family meals. Now let's get our tomato salad ready. This isn't just any salad. It's a vibrant mix of fresh tomatoes and aromatic basil, each ingredient chosen to complement the richness of the cheese. The freshness of the tomatoes, combined with the rich, creamy texture of the melted provoleta, creates a perfect balance. Adding a splash of balsamic vinegar introduces a sweet tanginess that elevates the flavors, making each bite more memorable than the last. So why is this meal a favorite among athletes like myself? Provoleta offers a fantastic source of calcium and protein, essential for bone health and muscle repair, making it a smart choice for anyone with an active lifestyle. Now for the best part, let's taste this beautiful grilled provoleta. That's just divine. You can really taste the rich, comforting flavors. The outside is perfectly crispy, and the inside is wonderfully gooey. It's just like what I remember from those family gatherings back home in Argentina.
Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. See you next time!